Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can register your Sony product for warranty. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to product registration sony.com. This is the official Sony page for registration products. Once the page loads, you will see product registration at the top right. Under that you see create an account, login, continue as a guest. You can continue as a guest, but I would recommend you to make an account because it allows you to keep all your Sony products in one place. It just makes future registration easier. So after that, you click create account, you will be taken to the sign up page. Here you will need to enter your basic info like region, language, date of birth, and accept the terms to continue. Okay, so let's say this English. You will also need to add your address and other details. I won't go step by step here since it's straightforward. Just fill everything out like you would for any online account. Once your account is created and you are signed in, you should see a big button that says register a new product. Now, once your account is created and you are signed in, you should see a big button that says register a new product. Go ahead and click that. Here's the first thing you need is your product model number. If you are not sure where to find it, there's a link right where is my model number. Click it and you will see example for different Sony devices like TVs, cameras, headphones, and so on. Just locate the model number on your device and type into the box. Next, you either the purchase date and type it into the box. Next, you enter the purchase date, yes, and if you want, you can also add the delivery date, but that part is optional. After that, you will put this serial number in and the date. You will need to fill out required product information, and once you save everything, your Sony product will be successfully registered for warranty, and that's basically it. Super simple, and it only takes a few minutes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.